If you still haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe to us and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of our new uploads, and stay tuned with us. Hello friends, I'm Ayyaz and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how can you make your pictures background transparent. So if you want to make your pictures background transparent, you have to download background eraser from Play Store, or I will leave a link below in the description. So firstly we have to download the background eraser. I have already downloaded it. So firstly we'll open the background eraser and then we have to load a photo here. Okay, so firstly we'll load a photo here. So I want to pick this picture. So after loading the picture, we have to crop the picture. So firstly easily we'll crop the picture, okay, like this. So we have to crop the picture and then we have to click here done. And then after cropping the picture, we have to erase the background of the picture. So we can do it manually or automatically. So I'll do it here automatically. So we have to easily just place it here and erase the background of the picture. So okay, easily we have to erase all the background of the picture like this, and then we have to click here done. Then we can also smoothen the picture. So after smoothening the picture, you have to save it. So that's all friends. By doing this, you can easily make your pictures background transparent. So thank you for watching my video friends, and if you still haven't subscribed our channel, so please subscribe to us.